Another set of stocks that we need to look at very quickly. An interesting piece coming in from Varsha. Trump has announced a 25% tariff on imports from Mexico and Canada and an additional 10% tariff on imports from China. Varsha joins in with a detailed analysis of how this could actually be a positive for one set of Indian companies. Yes, Varsha?
Thank you, Tamanna. So yes, the tariff announcement by Trump will actually be beneficial for chemical companies. So 3 companies which are in focus. One is PI Industries. So basically top 5 molecules are being imported in the US by value, which are pyrosulfane, then your glufosinate, which are manufactured by UPL, then you have Jubilant Ingrevia and PI Industries. Let's see who benefits the most. Starting with PI Industries, the stock is up. Now this is on the back of the announcement made by Trump. Now pyrosulfone is one of the herbicide which is manufactured by PI Industries, form 30 to 35% of their revenue. No other player produces 5,000 tons of a single large complex molecule at a single site, and PI's continuous process improvements have strengthened its margin over time, and we had this pressure on this product from China coming in, which is now gone. Then you have UPL in focus, wherein the key molecule in the US market include one of the product is glufosinate, which is manufactured by UPL and contributes a lot to its top line. On this products, company had actually faced significant price erosion due to Chinese competition, and with tariffs on China, UPL will become more competitive when it comes to US manufacturing, and UPL is likely to compete more effectively with China in key markets. The last on my list is Jubilant Ingrevia. This is the only non-Chinese pyridine manufacturer globally, and it is going to gain due to incremental volumes. And recently we saw the numbers from this company, which the volumes grew because of this single product, and they see incremental volumes across agrochemical, pharmaceuticals and emerging sectors such as semiconductors. Let's see what is Equirus' view on that. Valuation of all 3 stocks remain at a significant discount to both the sector and the historical averages as per Equirus' view, and they anticipate a sharp short squeeze in PI and UPL over the next 2 to 3 weeks.
So this story is going to play out real time in terms of what the negotiations are, but thank you for those details. And you're seeing those sharp up moves in some chemical stocks basically on tariffs, and yes, those upgrades and results etc. might be working for UPL as my technical charts, but the big factor right now is tariffs. So thanks for that, Varsha. Just some details coming in from the Wall Street Journal that is reporting this. China has offered to reinstate phase 1 as part of opening bid in talks with Trump on tariffs. Remember, additional 10% tariffs have been levied on China by the United States. China's planning to offer more investments in the US. So here's where the negotiation comes in. This is what China is bringing to the table. More investments in the US. China to renew a pledge not to devalue the yuan to help exporters. And China plans to treat TikTok as a commercial matter in talks. So a lot of details there coming in.